Hello users, do you know that you can earn free 20 USDT from Bybit? As you can see, it's a deposit to earn 20 USDT in rewards. All you need to do is to sign up on Bybit as a first timer. Use my referral link I'm going to put in the description box. I'm going to earn free 20 USDT. I'm a Bybit partner. As you can see right here, I'm a Bybit partner, meaning that so when I'm telling this thing, like it is true, get this offer is going to last for in the next 10 days. You get all you need to do is to register link in the description box. Once you register, you have to deposit money, at least deposit up to 100 USDT and above. And we're giving free 20 USDT and many other rewards. If you register with my link, it will give you plenty more rewards, and I'm going to teach you guys how to trade. For those who are into trading, I have a private group from Bybit official where they drop daily signals again for traders. You use that signals to trade, I'm going to make profit. I'm going to show you guys the signal group later on, but first let me really talk about this. So Bybit is actually organizing a 10 days campaign. I'm a partner with them. If you register and you deposit, you're going to get 20 USDT as a reward. Deposit, you can deposit through cryptocurrency, sending from other wallets to your Bybit account. You can deposit through P2P. I made a video on how you can deposit through Bybit P2P. I'll show you link to that video. I'm leaving the link to that video in the description box. You can watch the video. It's very simple. Sign up with Mr. Friday's invitation link in the description box. Complete the task in the rewards hub. And yet when you sign up, there are tags in the rewards hub. The task is very simple. There are plenty of tags. You get the first tag is to deposit above 100 USDT and you're going to earn 20. If you order with $20, you get another task that you can complete, and two other tasks you're going to get reward. And two, you can see the terms and conditions, and the rewards will unlock within 14 days after it. This thing is going to last for just 14 days. You get the rewards going to be unlocked after 14 days after the task. You get so our sub accounts are not allowed, and tasks will be updated every 4 hours. So guys, this is an opportunity to earn 20 USDT for yourself. You get all you do is to just sign up. So for those people who are traders, you get if you are good at trading or you want to trade, I have a signal group. Let me show you the signal group. This is the signal group. I can see we do drop. It's just 104 persons that are in this group, just 104 persons. And we do drop signals in this group every single day. So we forward the signals to everybody. You understand? We don't lose. We don't make loss. All you need to do is to use a signal in this group to trade. Yet the most recent trade that we did was we out of Notcoin. So we already make profit on it. If you go and check, the price of Notcoin has actually pumped over. Where is it? I think this was 8, right? This was 8. You can see that not USDT May 28. That's supposed to buy Notcoin. We should long Notcoin at our market price, and she put our take profit at 0.0085. And you can see the price of Notcoin actually pump. Yeah, the price of Notcoin actually pump. I think it is 0.0084. It made 182 percentage of profit. And yet we do make profit from this particular trades, from these signals you get. So for these who are traders, who are new to trading, if you don't know how to trade, just join the signal group. Signify that you know how to trade. I've got links to videos on how to trade using Bybit for you, also that you can make use of these signals from this group to trade and make profit. Understand? We don't make loss, we only make profit. Understand? So guys, for new users, please do where to sign up my registration link so you can get free 20 USDT and many other offers. So this will be it for this video. Peace out.